We see here in this case, after Purchiti departure, the king Agni-Dara, his lusty desire, not at all satisfied, always thought of her. The point that I wanted to emphasize, there are so many things here, is that the beginning of spiritual life, Asat sanga. So spiritual life begins when you know what to associate with. We have discrimination. Because we change by association. Everybody, consciousness changes by association. His desires, his wishes, his will, all change by association. So spiritual life begins when we know what to associate with. And we can discriminate. It's like you see even in a manager when he's having busy, if something comes, no, this I don't want to deal with, because he can't deal with everything. It's not practical. They know where to focus. Correct? Isn't it? Even in material people who are successful, they know where to focus their time. They don't want to focus their time on everything. Then it is not possible. Therefore, you can't even meet big man without appointment because he can't waste his time. In the same day, a spiritualist whose work is even more important, the so-called businessman or something, and what is waste of time for him, where he can make money, that's all. He wants to quick profit. He wants to make as much money as possible. That's what a businessman wants. A devotee wants something even more. He wants spiritual currency, treasure of Krishna. More and more he wants spiritual coins. Correct? He doesn't want material coins. That is also another bank account. So he is even more careful than the so-called businessman. They may be busy so-called in the office and making money all day. And they do all simple activities with that money afterwards. Correct? On the weekends and all rubbish activities they do after that, rain. That is so-called, exemplified or glorified in society. He is expert in making money. But devotee is expert in pleasing the Lord. And therefore he knows never to forget God for anything. That is expertise. Otherwise, and that's how the spiritual life begins. When you know what to discuss. Always focus on Krishna and reject anything not connected to Krishna. That is a devotee expert upon. So where to associate? There are some things connected to Krishna he associates. Something disconnected from Krishna, particularly things which may attract him to simple activities. He is very careful. So discrimination makes this beginning of spiritual life, not the end. Correct? We know what to associate with and we know what to not associate with. This is the beginning of spiritual life. That was one point. Prabhupada ki